I'm often asked, what's the cure for procrastination? And my answer is usually, I'll let you know when I think of it. No, I got a couple of cures. The biggest cure is delegation. The more you get off your back, the less you have to worry about procrastination. I delegate everything that hits my back, and I just make a note to follow up at a later date, and I do put that in my planner so I don't forget that. Another cure for procrastination is deadlines, and that's the biggest one. And sometimes you have to impose those deadlines because they don't exist. Other times they have already been imposed. For example, when I have an event coming up, well, I have my deadline. But if I don't have any particular time I have to get something done, then I have to impose my own deadline, and also have to impose that on my employees to make sure we're of the same mind and to get stuff done when it's supposed to be done. That keeps me from having to forget. Click on the link in the bio and you'll learn more.